Hey guys, today I am going to share with you 5 important things that you need in your website in order to convert your visitors or prospects into client or customer. But first, why we need a website and what's the importance of a website? A lot of big agencies, brands, businesses, even personal brands have their website where they sell their services or products. Despite they have great following on amazing platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, they are selling their services on their website, and every profile direct them to their website, because on a website they can customize their website, copy, design and their services and products for their respective clients and customers. Even those customers and clients can have their own account on their website and they can manage their services or products. And on your own website, you will have 100% control over your website. But on social media, you don't have any control. And they can easily take down your services or your products or even your profile. So here are 5 important things that you need in your website to convert your visitors into customers. The number 1 is offer. Offer is very important, and offer can be created first before designing and developing your website. This video is for web designers and for those who want a website or they have a website but it's not converting. So the number 1 is offer. Offer can be created before design and development of the website. Create an offer that is irresistible and can value your prospects. An offer can contain attractive name, pricing, benefits for their customer and clients, bonuses and discounts. If you don't have any offer, then you don't need a website. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Now let's talk about the second one, which is the design of a website. Design of a website is underrated, and a lot of us do not focus on the design. We focus on just buying a template or theme, which can be cheap, but it will not bring you results. An attractive design can have amazing offer listed which can sell. Templates and themes can make your website live in few days, but custom design can be designed for your prospects and it can solve a specific problem for your prospect and they can buy your solution. So design is very important. Do not use templates and theme and see the results yourself. For our clients, we always did custom design and we have increased 20% of conversion rate of our few clients. Now let's talk about number 3, clarity of website. Now clarity means that there should be a clear call to action for your prospects or your visitor. There should be a clear navigation and only one hierarchical call to action. So let's say if you are selling your services, so there should be a button or a section that says book a call, and it should go to a calendar where they can book a call with you or even contact with you. If you are selling a product, there should be a buy now button so they can make a purchase right away, and it should be very focused and clear for your prospects. This way you can convert your visitors into customers. Number 4 is balance in your website. Now balance is very important. A lot of time we focus on a lot of text, images and illustrations, but there should be a clear balance between text, call to action, images, illustrations, icons, etc. If you strike a clear balance, it will not just look well, but it will sell as well. I do this all the time for our clients and they love it. So try this and let me know. The last one is very important, which is copy of your website. Copy means content on your website. It can be in shape of text. Now a lot of time we focus on features instead of benefits. We share a lot of features. Now let's say I'm selling web design services. So if I talk about features, then I will say this will be developed in WordPress, this will be designed in Figma, this will have this will have this will have this, etc. But instead, if we talk about benefits, and benefits are that it will be ready in 2 weeks. You will not need any developer to maintain this website because we are using no no-code solution. You will be a complete owner of this website. This redesign will increase conversion rate by 20%. And these are the benefits that you can share, and there are a lot more. But you have to do a clear research and differentiate between features and benefits. So talk about more benefits on your website and have attractive copy. You can hire a copywriter or you can use ChatGPT to get a basic content. These are the 5 things if you focus on, I guarantee that you will convert your visitors into customers. That's it for this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more. You are spending thousands of dollars on hiring and managing web designers and web developers, and you are not getting any results from that. We have helped amazing brands, businesses and even agencies outsourcing their web design work to us. At Hornwork.com, we help businesses, agencies and brands build their dream website so that they can sell their products and services. So don't wait and visit Hornwork.com and see you there.